Hi guys, welcome back to It's Me, Mariska. I'm Mariska and my mom's coming. So, this is my mom. Today, she hid my slime ingredients and now I have to go find it.
Yep, and some of you guys already know because I showed you guys previously in the video beforehand where a few of the ingredients are. The rest of them you guys will find with her. So you can comment down below later on where the ingredients are if she can't find them beforehand. Are you ready?
Yep. I'm ready to go take the camera with me.
Set.
Go.
Go.
Wait. Huh?
You have to find the slime or the...
Oh my gosh, I thought that was a snake.
You have to find the baking powder. You have to find the glue. You have to find the spoon. You have to find the bowl.
Powder.
You have to find the paint.
So here's where the baking powder
and the contact solution.
for now until I get back. So here I go. Oh, kitty. Oh, that was easy.
They don't get any easier.
Here I go. Oh. You put the bar here. I guess we can hold this.
Yeah.
Or not.
You still have to find the spoon. You have to find the...
Spoon's gonna be hard.
You have to find the spoon. You have to find the paint. And you have to find the activator. And the water. Good job.
There's hard. Yes, as you can tell, our lid's broken off of our fire pit, so we used fire. Running needs healing. And not that much. Watch the log.
Nope, I didn't go that way. I went this way.
That looks like faster.
You have one more to find. You need to find the activator. Nope, it's not over there. And you need to find the glue, or the paint. You didn't find the paint or the
that was easy. A little bit.
Now you have to find the paint.
No, that's gonna be hard.
There's a bunch of places you haven't looked yet.
Out front.
Nothing is out front.
Then the bowl was.
That was just around the side. That wasn't out front. You can lift things, look at things, look under things, look in things, look on things.
I'm just gonna peek up on this. No, no. Oh, I should be right on top of it. Oops. Well, I found it all. I hope. So I just found all my slime ingredients, plus the one I just jumped on top of. Luckily it didn't bust open. So
You gotta scoot over a little bit.
Make my slime now. So I'm gonna take you out.
So she's gonna turn around and she decided she's gonna make her slime. So, yes, I made her find the bowl too.
Yeah.
All right, empty your ingredients in.
Ooh, that was easy. No, no. Mom, I got it. That sounds weird. Yes, this glue is very hard to get out.
No, it's not.
Well, it goes quick. It's just a little bit.
All right, watch your hand. All right.
Paint, which is summer color. Ow.
Just a small squirt of the paint.
Yes, this is my dad's paint. Sorry, Dad.
It's a little bit of paint. It ain't gonna hurt anything. Glue's in the bowl.
Alright, here comes
Just a small squirt. Okay, that's enough. That's too much.
I think that was enough. Oops. Oh well.
All right.
It's okay.
Mix the paint and the glue together.
Hand or spoon?
With the spoon.
Woo, pretty.
Put that off to the side for now.
Get over.
Okay, now what's the next ingredient you need? Tiniest bit of water. So add a little tiny bit of water, not a lot, just a tiny bit.
Good boy. I don't know why.
Just a little bit of water. Okay.
That was good. Wait. Ow. What bit me? What the heck bit me?
You have sunscreen and bug spray on, so. All right. Now comes the baking powder, which we actually found baking powder works just like baking soda does. I will do the baking powder though because I don't want my baking powder covered in glue. Put that in. If we need to add a little more, we'll add a little bit more.
It looks like frosting.
Okay, here's the first part of it, guys. Ready to add activator?
I don't think that water really helped.
All right, now start slowly adding activator, and you're gonna have to mix with your hands.
Yeah.
Okay. Slowly start adding the activator. How about I help you? Start mixing. You might have to add a little bit more of the baking powder as we go through.
Oh, that feels. It feels like cake mix.
Bit, please.
It feels like cake mix. Ooh, that's what I'm gonna call it.
Do you need a little more baking powder?
Yeah.
Tiniest bit?
Tiniest bit. Whoa.
There you go.
That didn't look like the tiniest bit.
You ready for the more activator? Yeah.
Yeah.
Pick your hands up. Yeah, you need more activator.
It's cake.
It's cake.
It's cake batter. That's what I'm gonna call it. Cake batter slime. Oh jeez. What the?
She'll just have to find out in the video what I actually did.
Come on.
Keep going. Not yet. All right, a little more. You gotta keep mixing. It's gonna be a while. Starting to turn into anything?
No.
Starting to get slimy? No, it's just sticky. Ready?
It's water. It's glue. Put it that way. Glue.
Keep going.
It's glue. Oh, it's turning. It's turning. It's turning because it's getting hard.
A little bit at a time. We're not doing a lot. You want sticky slime, right?
Yeah.
You don't want it too sticky, but you don't want it too
hard.
Tough either. You want it stretchy, but come on, keep mixing. It's not coming out. There you go. There's a little itty bitty bit more.
It's working. It's working.
Now it's starting to work. Okay, keep mixing. Keep mixing. Start lifting your hands up.
Yep.
Kind of.
It's
Keep going. It's starting to get there. Scrape. Scrape one hand all the way through. Okay. Does it pass the clicky test?
I don't know.
Come on.
But on my list, it will pass the sticky. Mom.
Still sticky. Clicky test it passes. What about the, what other tests?
Bubble.
The bubble?
Yeah.
Slime bubble. Ah, it popped. But try it again.
Popped. Oh well. And this slime is very goopy.
It's alright. You want it like that. We like slime that's kind of sticky. It's got a bubble in it.
It's got
a little bubble.
It passed the bubble
It passed the bubble. Oh, Mariska popped. Oh, no, she didn't.
No, we didn't.
Passed the bubble right there. And how about the Instagram symbol. The swirly test. Does it pass the swirly test?
I don't know. Hang on.
Now see, some people like their
finger.
slime thicker where it just pulls apart. Some like it slimier where it's sticky.
I tried.
We like it slimier and a little
Before I
stickier.
ever did YouTube channel, I tried to make a fluffy slime. It failed.
It failed because we didn't have the correct ingredients. Once we learned how to make it,
It worked.
it worked.
You have to use shaving cream and
Oh.
foamy soap.
And we eventually would like to learn
what
how to
was I
do some
gonna
of the
do
other
now?
slimes as well.
What was I gonna do? Oh yeah.
Swirl test.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Don't mind us. We do live in an area where we have quite a few
bear.
bears and things like that, so we have to watch for the bears and stuff in the yard, or listen for the bear. If we hear the bear, we can hightail it in the house before.
Mom, it's on your finger.
I do apologize for getting it on my fingers. I am trying to get my hands out of the way.
Well, I tried it. Oh jeez, I got stuck.
Okay,
Yeah.
so until next time.
No, I didn't do the swirly test. Yeah. I tried.
Come on.
I tried.
All right, come on. Try your swirly test instead of playing with it. There you go.
It
So,
passed.
until
It's
next time.
sticky.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
And
hit
hit that bell.
to turn on the post notifications for when we post new videos. Turn that bell.
Upside down.
From what? Oh, the subscribe button or the bell, red to gray. Or whatever it is, black to gray, whatever the color is, just turn it to gray.
No, it's gray, but then it has like a ring
So,
thing. Hey, until next time, bye. This definitely passed the cake mix test. Cake mix slime. It's stuck.